In this pandemic world where work-life balance can be difficult sometimes, getting emails in the evening and weekends can often stress people out. There's a solution, and scheduling emails is an option in Outlook. So I'm going to walk through how to do that on both a Mac and a PC in Outlook. So on a Mac, if you open up a new message, and I'm just going to write to Candace. Once you've got your message, if you go to send button and you click on the little arrow next to it, you'll see send later. And you can choose a time and a date to schedule that later. So let's say it's 8 p.m. on a Thursday night, and you really want to get that thought out now, but you don't want to send it after hours and make people feel like they have to respond then. You want to schedule it for the next day after 8 o'clock. So we could schedule this for whenever. We'll just schedule this for Monday at 8:15 a.m. Once you hit send, that's going to put it in the queue. It's going to act like it sends, and it's going to stay in your sent email. Actually, it'll be in your drafts, and it'll say scheduled. So this message is scheduled to send on 3/8 at 8:15. And if you decide you no longer want to send it, you can cancel send. So I don't actually want to send that, so I'm going to cancel it. And that gives you the ability to have some flexibility with when you actually send messages to people, which can be very helpful. So now we're going to go through the settings to how to delay a message on a PC. So it's a little bit different on a PC. So we'll send a message again to Candace, and we put in our information. Instead of it being next to send, you go to options. And under options, you'll see a button that says delay delivery. So if we click on delay delivery, you get a whole menu of options here. So we can check the button that says do not deliver before, and we can again set this to whatever date and time we want. So we can change this how we did before, AM, and we can choose to save a copy. And when we're ready, we hit OK. And then we hit send, and it's scheduled. So it'll sit in drafts, and you'll also see that it's in the outbox on a Windows machine. If you change your mind, you can always delete it from here, and it will no longer be scheduled to send. Delete it from my drafts as well. So that's pretty straightforward. And like I said, it can be a really handy tool to get your thoughts out when you need to get them out, but be respectful of people's time in the after work hours and weekends.